Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of effortless, on-the-go lip color that delivers bold impact without the dryness, you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. This deep rose-beige liquid lipstick has been all over the beauty scene, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The soft matte lip cream promises creamy, long-lasting matte coverage that never feels dry. It's available in a variety of shades inspired by world cities. Think Parisian reds, New York nudes, and more. The formula is touted for its smooth, non-drying texture, and it's perfect for those who want the boldness of matte without the discomfort. NYX claims this product offers an almost plush, velvety finish. It's easy to apply, and it leaves lips feeling soft, not parched, which is something many matte lipsticks struggle with. The shade Abu Dhabi is described as a deep rose beige, definitely a neutral with a touch of pink. It's versatile enough for daily wear, but still gives you that statement lip that you can layer for a more intense look. In terms of ingredients, this lipstick doesn't list anything that's groundbreaking in terms of skincare. It's designed primarily for color and comfort, rather than nourishing. So, if you're looking for a hydrating lip product with added skincare benefits, this might not be your go-to. But if you're seeking a soft matte with impressive staying power, it's definitely worth considering. When it comes to real-world testing, I found the application of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream to be straightforward. The product glides on easily and doesn't drag. The formula is smooth and applies like a cream, but sets to a matte finish after just a few minutes. I love how lightweight it feels. It's not sticky or heavy, which is a common complaint with some matte formulas. What really stood out for me was how comfortable it felt throughout the day. Typically, matte lipsticks can make your lips feel like they're suffocating under the product, but not this one. It remains soft to the touch without needing constant reapplications. I tested this during a long workday, and while the color faded slightly after meals and drinks, it didn't crumble or flake off like some matte formulas tend to. There's still some transfer, but it's minimal compared to many other products in this category. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros: comfortable matte finish. Unlike many matte lipsticks, it doesn't feel dry or heavy. Lightweight formula, feels almost like a lip stain, but gives more coverage. Smooth application, glides on easily without any tugging. Long lasting, although it will need some touch-ups after eating, it holds up well throughout the day. Cons: transfer. It's not 100% transfer proof, so be mindful of smudges. Color fade. While it's long-lasting, expect it to fade a bit over time, especially after eating. Limited hydration. If you're someone who needs extra hydration in your lip products, you might find this a bit lacking. Now for the price point, it's a great value for money. NYX is known for offering high-quality products without breaking the bank, and this soft matte lip cream is no exception. At under $10, you're getting a highly pigmented, long-wearing lipstick that delivers impressive performance. Is it comparable to other matte lipsticks on the market? Absolutely. While high-end brands may offer more complex formulations with added skincare benefits, NYX delivers a solid, effective product at a fraction of the price. If you're on a budget but want a good matte lipstick, this is a great option. For those looking for a more hydrating alternative, you might want to check out the NYX Butter Gloss or other lip creams in their line. They're just as creamy, but offer a bit more shine and moisture. If you're looking to splurge, brands like Fenty Beauty or Charlotte Tilbury have some fantastic options, but they come with a higher price tag. As for build quality, the packaging is standard for a drugstore liquid lipstick. Sleek, simple, and functional. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. It's easy to apply with the doe foot applicator, which is great for precision. If you're new to NYX or their soft matte lip cream line, it's worth mentioning that this product is cruelty-free, certified by PETA, which is a huge plus for animal lovers. Now as we wrap up, let's talk value. Does this lipstick live up to its claims? I'd say yes. It offers a beautiful matte finish without the usual dryness, and at this price point, it's definitely worth trying. The shade Abu Dhabi is a universally flattering color, perfect for everyday wear or a bold look. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming honest reviews. Thank you so much for tuning in today. The link to purchase the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream is in the description box below, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful inside and out.